Good day everyone, I'm Mark BARLETA in BEED 3A. And our IMs or my IMs is living thing. Living things, a live thing pertains to any organism or life from the possesses or shows the characteristics of life or being alive. The fundamental characteristic having a organized restriction requires energy responding to stimuli and adapting to environmental changes and being capable of reproduction, growth, movement, metabolism, and death. Currently living things are classified into three domains that are bacteria, archaea, and eukarya. Our next is cellular respiration. Is the process by which biological fuels are exuded in the presence of organic electronic acceptor such as oxygen to produce large amounts of energy to drive the box production of ATP. Cellular respiration may be described as a set of metabolic reaction and process that take place in the cells of the organism to convert chemical energy from the nutrients into adenosine at phosphate from the nutrients into adenosine and then release waste for production or products. Our next is the 7 characteristics of living things. The 7 characteristics of living things is movement, breathing, respiration, growth, sensitivity, and reproduction. Our first is movement, changing the position by the action of muscle in the animals and slow growth movements in plants. Our second, respiration, the process by which living cells release energy from organic molecules. And the third, sensitivity, the ability to detect and respond to changes in the environment either inside outside the organism. And the fourth is growth. Growth is increase in size and mass. Our next is production or creation, a new organism that are in the environment or the same species as the parents. Our next is excretion or excretion, removal of wastes from the organism's body. And lastly, nutrition, supplies an organism with the food it needs required growth, repair, and reproduction.